Some human activities will need any heavy lifting that cannot do, by means of natural human force. We need any special tools for lifting operation. But our technology was made of lifting tools that can really help our different heavy lifting job with less effort. This lifting tools was designed on manual lifting operation and automatic lifting operation. But this video will explain only the automatic lifting operation like electric cable hoist winch. The electric cable hoist winch is a type of lifting tools that needs electrical power for heavy lifting operation. This electric cable hoist winch is fully automatic lifting without any hand cranking, and reliable under specified maximum capacity. It has a professional quality that can be used in all types of lifting activities in our DIY project, garage repair, warehouse material handling, industrial line assembly, homes appliances lifting, stores arrangement of heavy item, factory operation, building constructions, and any other areas on which the job was involve a heavy lifting. The electric cable hoist winch has a powder-coated paint steel cover, with high-quality die-cast aluminum enclosure, sturdy body that's suitable on any harsh condition of use, and can be used also in outdoor operation that protected against water splash and dust, with protection degree of IP54. It has a durable steel cable that can withstand to any bending, twist resistant, strong enough to keep the specified heavy load, safer to use, and more reliable under the maximum specified capacity. Have also a powerful electric motor, with high quality, and pure copper winding, to ensure a high power output. This motor have its own control box, for motor lifting up or down, and inside this control box was connected a thermal overload protection. This is also the gear box assembly, that have a specified gear ratio for specified lifting capacity. The electric cable hoist winch has also a switch box assembly, that connected to control cable for easy operation, due to the accessible up and down power push button. Have also an upper and lower forced disconnect limit switch, that activate, or, will stop the motor, when steel cable is almost reach on the end, to avoid any damage of this lifting tools. This lifting tools is equip also a heavy-duty swivel arm load hook with safety clip design, that use for single-line lifting operation, and sheaved pulley lifting hook with safety clip design, that use for dual-line lifting operation. Meaning that the lifting operation can be done in two methods. In our video presentation have two electric cable hoist winch with different maximum load capacity. One of this electric cable hoist winch has 800 kg maximum load capacity on dual cable line lifting operation, and only 400 kg maximum load capacity on single cable line lifting operation. The other electric cable hoist winch has 1,200 kg maximum load capacity on dual cable line lifting operation, and only 600 kg on single cable line lifting operation. The electric cable hoist winch is lightweight design that has only a hanging clamp brackets for easy and quick installation to any strong structure, like strong pipe tubes, square tubes, round bars, and any strong structural support in your workplace. This electric cable hoist winch have built-in braking mechanism for load safety operation that not lowering down when there is a power interruption. This safety brake mechanism is always activate when you like to stop the motor operation, or when you release the up and down power button. We have different safety measures in using this electric cable hoist winch. 1. Never run the winch if the steel cable is entangled, to avoid any damage. 2. Make sure that the remaining steel cable must always stay at least 3 turns on the drum, to avoid the steel cable disconnected during lifting operation. 3. Always give a time span interval for short distance moving up and down, to protect the motor overheating. 4. Roll back the slack steel cable properly, to have a better tension, before we do any lifting operation. 5. A double-line lifting operation must be recommended to use, on every lifting operation, in order to avoid an accident breaking of steel cable. 6. Do not attempt to overload the electric cable hoist winch. We always do a lifting operation under the maximum load lifting capacity. 7. Do not forget to wear a personal protective equipment, like thick leather gloves, steel-toe shoes, goggles, and any other specified PPE, while using this electric cable hoist winch. 8. Do not stand under the load, or any heavy object during lifting operation is on progress. 9. Never also use this type of electric cable hoist winch for any manned riding elevator, because it is not designed from this elevator operation. Remember that we have already plenty types of electric cable hoist winch, with different load lifting capacity on maximum kilogram that available in our market today, like PA 250, PA 300, PA 500, PA 800, PA 1000, PA 1200, PA 1500 and many more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.